So let me give you the truth that the media keeps withholding from you. The National Guard troops can stay in Los Angeles, but only to protect government assets. That's right, government assets. This is Keith, the law enforcement OG with 15 plus years experience in law enforcement. So let's get into this right here and right now. In a landmark ruling, U.S. District Judge Charles R. Breyer in San Francisco has declared that President Donald J. Trump's deployment of the National Guard troops to Los Angeles in June violated the century-old Posse Comitatus Act, which prohibits the military from acting in a domestic law enforcement role, such as crowd control, traffic blockades, or arrest. However, Judge Breyer also clarified an important nuance that the media and lion-ass California Governor Gavin Newsom didn't emphasize to you. The approximately 300 troops still stationed in Los Angeles are permitted to remain there as long as they stay strictly within their legal roles, protecting federal property, buildings, and agents, not performing law enforcement duties at all. So, yes, enforcing the law remains off limits to them. No crowd control, no patrols, and no arrest. But guarding federal sites, that's still lawful under his order. And as President Donald Trump noted, they're not doing law enforcement. They're just protecting government assets. Let's get the full, accurate story out there. Military cannot enforce, but can safeguard. No invading the streets, just protecting their post. And that is the full-on truth. So the media would like for you to think that this was a win. It's not, because bottom line is they were never enforcing the law. All they were doing is protecting the assets. The judge just basically clarified in this ruling that they're not to do any kind of law enforcement work whatsoever within the city limits of Los Angeles. That's all that was. So the Democrats are trying to hang their hat on something that is basically a judge just reaffirming what the military can and cannot do. That's it. Hey, this is Keith, the law enforcement OG, 15 plus years experience in law enforcement. Give me a follow, repost, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I'm out.